Hi, I'm George Gardner, and this is my Week 15 project, Interactive Prototype 2, where today I'll be showing my fully functional minimum viable product, which is my runaround website. And I used Framer to create this product. My original idea was for an app called Runaround, which utilizes AI, real and historical crime data, as well as hazard updates and traffic data to create safe running routes for runners in San Francisco that keeps them on only safe streets with no violent crime, very limited hazards and traffic as well. So it creates the optimal route to keep them safe. So I created the MVP version of this by creating a website in Framer. And here's my website. So the main feature is a safe route generator, but I will just go over the website quickly. So here's a button to the safe route generator, shows how the app works, enter route, AI analyzes, run safe. Our runners love it. Um, I have a hazard update embed. I would like this to be in my map. Unfortunately, I could not do that. So I embedded an existing app, which is called Citizen, which shows hazards that are occurring in San Francisco in real time. So runners can check that before they go for their run. So this is a feed. You can also report a hazard to the runaround team, and we will update that into the map. This goes directly to our contact runaround email. Um, here is the map that you can put in San Francisco, and it will show real time um, hazards in red. So you can look at anything that is currently occurring. This is another app. This is not part of our app, so it's an embed. You can sign up for Runaround, join our community. We have fictitious blog posts about how Runaround has benefited the user, a contact us page, a fictitious shop, and an about us page. So our main feature is the safe route generator, and this is what the app will hopefully include. The app will utilize AI. This unfortunately does not, as it's an MVP, no cost, low cost. I would have liked to have had it work. But for example, you input your starting location as a runner, for example, the USF campus, your desired mileage, 5 miles, and you can generate a safe route. And all these red dots here are actual crime occurrences in San Francisco. I'll go into that in a minute. How about how I did that? So you generate your safe route from USF is our starting point, and a drop-down map occurs, and it has been plotted. So you can see this does use Google Maps. This isn't our own proprietary software, but it utilizes Google Maps and creates a route with zero violent crimes on it and keeps showing safe streets. So this did actually work. Now you may be asking, um, how and how is this working exactly? Well, I created a map in Google Maps that plotted every violent crime that has occurred since 2023 to 2025 in San Francisco and where exactly it occurred. I did it by going to the SFPD website. They have their crime map. I filtered it by violent crime only. And I chose about 3 years. I feel like that was a good amount of time to depict a trend. I downloaded the CSV dataset file from the SFPD, imported it into Google Maps, which then placed each occurrence of where it occurred based on longitude and latitude. So these are all crimes. And then the core components. So I had to use to build the map. I used APIs. I used basically the backbone for the whole map and the crime visualization, route drawing. I enabled 4 different APIs. In my Google Cloud Console, I did a Maps JavaScript API, Directions API, Map Embed API, and a geocoding embed. This allows for the interactive map and the geocoding of the addresses. So the Google API, I created a Google My Map and plotted all of those CSV file data. So for all of this, all the code I got was from Grok AI. So all of this to create this whole map and walk through the process was from Grok AI, coached me through everything. And I used snippets of their code, the JavaScript by the AI, and just embedded it into it. So all this was created using AI, as well as the whole website was created using AI embeds pretty much. So yes, that is the current state of my MVP website. Thank you very much.